Hi, this is Rick for EDU Mobile Academy, and welcome to this course on Xcode and Swift 2. And the current version of Xcode is 7.1 as I record this, but 7.2 will be coming out of beta fairly soon. So might be by the time you see this video, it'll be 7.2. Xcode is from Apple. You can get to this information or this informational page by going to developer.apple.com/Xcode/download. Xcode is technically part of the developer program, but you do not have to register and pay to download Xcode. So what you want on this page is not any beta releases or pre-releases that are coming out. You will want to download the actual stable version, and at this point in time, it's Xcode 7.1. Now, in order to get the pre-release versions, you need to be part of the developer program, A, and you will need to download those here. However, if you're getting the stable versions, then you can just look at it in the App Store and download it there. So let's look at what that looks like. In the App Store, that window will look like this, and you can just click Open. It is a free download. It is huge. As of the last time I downloaded it, it was 4.6 gigs. So it's going to take a while to download, and it's going to take longer to actually install. Currently, Xcode 7.1 is supported on Yosemite. However, my feeling is that this is going to end up in this version at some point being supported only on El Capitan. So you might want to go ahead and upgrade to El Capitan. That's only my feeling. I'm not sure if that's what is actually going to happen. Now, once you download it, you will get a DMG file, a disk image, in your downloads folder. And you will double-click that image, drag the Xcode over to your applications folder, and then it will install, and it will take quite some time to do so. After you install, when you run Xcode, it'll install some more developer tools. So be patient. It is worth it. So once you've installed and run for the first time, or run Xcode, you will see this window that says Welcome to Xcode, and you have three options. You can check out an existing project from a repository. You can create a new Xcode project with a user interface for an iPhone, iPad, or Mac, or you could get started with a playground. Since this is a course on primarily learning Swift, we will play most in the playground environment. However, we will look a little bit about creating a new Xcode project. The first thing I want to do, though, is write a simple Hello World app in Swift. So if we do that, we will get started with the playground. And when you click that, that window goes away, and we can name this. So I'm going to name it Hello, and we'll just leave the platform at iOS, although in a playground this doesn't matter as much. We'll click Next, and it will be asked for a place to save our playground. So I'll just go ahead and save it here. It doesn't matter that much. So now we will get the playground editor. And we have a comment, we have an import statement for UIKit, and then we have a string that says Hello Playground. On the left, we see the coding area, the source code editor. On the right, we're going to see a view that shows the output for what's on the left. Playground editor also has another place where we can view output. We can view output by opening up the debug area down here. So any print statements that we execute will print with the new line shown up here and without the new line, as if they would be program output or console output here. This is a run button. This button tells us to stop the playground. We can also restart the playground like this. So if we, for instance, type print and then as a function, hello world, bang, we have our first Swift program. So here we see the output in the playground window, which is, as I said, the string hello world with a new line after it. And down here in the console output, or the debug area, I have the actual output, which is hello world. And if we look at this, we'll see that the new line has been printed. My cursor is now on this line. So a very simple hello world program. And because print is part of the Swift language, this program can also be expressed this way. So it still works. That is a complete Swift program. All right, so that's a little introduction into how to get Xcode, how to install it, and how to run a first hello Swift program in our playground window. Thank you very much.